Greetings, my name is Jin, and in today's video I'd like to teach you a bit about PNF stretching. To begin with, what is PNF? It's a very long word. Neuromuscular Facilitation is the word. I hope I got it right. It's probably right. PNF is a way of tricking the muscles to stretch a little quicker. So if you're rushing out of time, or if you want to get a stretch a little length further, there's a way of trying to activate the muscle before releasing it. So we can start off with one exercise, which of course everyone probably likes to do, which is sitting down. And either have one of your legs forwards to begin with, or if you're a little bit more flexible, you can actually lift it higher to a meaty part of your muscles. I usually put it on the calf, or the meaty part of the calf, but if you want to go a little bit further, you can cross it right over. The aim is just to lift this leg up just a little higher so that you can kind of put some resistance down. So in any position, or just maximizing my length to show it to you. Rest your top arms on top of the leg, but also comfortably. So find a meaty part of resting either the elbow, or you can press the palm. Remember to just relax your shoulders. So the trick is we're trying to push our legs into our arms, and we're trying to push our arms into our legs at the same time. But we do it on the in breath at the top holding position. So we inhale, press, hold for 1 second, and then exhale, releasing the leg only. But if you want to, you can release the arms heavily to the legs. So breathing in, press, push, then breathe out, release the legs. Then one more time, breathe in, do about 3 rounds, hold it, and then out we go. Then release the arms. You may now come forwards and see if you've come a little further. So another thing to check is, on the other side of the leg, is we fold ourselves forward to begin with, see where our length or depth is. Then we bring in the PNF stretch, which is the hands again rest on top of the meaty part of your leg. Then we breathe in, hold, then breathe out to release. Breathing in, hold, breathe out to release. One more time. Breathing in, hold, and breathing out, and then releasing the arms and seeing whether feeling a bit more loosened up coming forwards. And that's your PNF stretch just for this particular muscle. There's a few more for other types of stretches, but in the meantime, we'll just stop it here. Thank you for watching.